Hey everyone, I wanted to show you some of the enhancements I've made to the Brain-navigation Excalidraw script. Let's start with the things that are visible in this view. So first of all, you will notice that now I have many different looking nodes on this page. For example, my daily notes page has this calendar emoji as a prefix, or my Excalidraw drawings have a painter's emoji plus a different background, a border color, and a different font color. This is all controlled based on tags you have on the page, and in settings you can define what colors to apply to which tag. Let me show you how. If I open settings and open Excalidraw settings, this is now right at the bottom. You can see right here that under tags you can define the look and feel for tags. In this case, my Excalidraw tag has a note color, a gate color, a border color, a background color, and a prefix defined. And my daily notes page only has a prefix defined. You can do your own custom definitions, as you can see right here. And based on that, you can customize how individual nodes look and feel on the page. Another thing I want to draw your attention to are these red nodes right here, these two. The red color denotes that these are virtual nodes, meaning that the files have not yet been created in Obsidian. You can see here on my daily notes page, these are the two links that I'm talking about, and these are also dimmed links in Obsidian, meaning that the files do not yet exist. One is a parent, the other is a child, because my tomorrow tag is set up as a child tag, and my this week tag is set up as a parent tag. This is maybe the right time to highlight that in this version I've abandoned using the Breadcrumbs plugin, and now the Brain-navigation script is only requiring you to install Dataview. And I've done this primarily because Breadcrumbs doesn't handle unique file names, and as a consequence you need to set up your own hierarchy in settings as well. So let me show you how that looks like. It is the same settings file as previously, but here at the top you can see the breadcrumbs defined. I use a simplified set of breadcrumbs compared to the breadcrumbs plugin. I only distinguish up, down, and lateral, which I call jump based on the brain, and you can see my settings right here defined. Let me navigate now to a node where I can show you how the same file name but in different folders is treated as separate nodes by this new version of the script. So the two nodes I want to show you are linked to the hat rack, and I want to draw your attention to these two latch nodes right here. One is in my book notes for information anxiety. The other one is a file that hasn't been created and it's referenced on this drawing, and that is this link right here. And you can also see that one of them is a parent node and the other is a child node. Also on this page I can show you one more new feature, and that is if I click on my literature notes for information anxiety, you can see that the display name is not the file name but the alias for the page. And yes, that's another setting in settings. Let me show you. Here, display alias if available, I have this turned on. And with that, if I have an alias defined for the page, then that will be displayed in the node. If I have multiple aliases, then the first one will be used. So now let's head back to today's daily notes page, and let me show you some things on the storyboard here. I'm going to open this in a new popover window and make that full screen like this. Let's just see what I wanted to talk about. Yes, I've abandoned Breadcrumbs to Dataview, and I've already shown you the difference. The issue is that Breadcrumbs assumes that file names are unique across your entire vault, and in real life I have my literature notes, my video thumbnails, and lots of other files that have the same file name, but they are in different folders. I have also shown you how you need to define your breadcrumbs in settings, and this is the breadcrumbs definition with the 3 directions and a list of the different data fields that you want to use in your documents. Also, we have talked about customizing the look and feel of nodes based on tags on the page. And here what I want to bring to your attention is that when you have a tag here, this will match all the tags that begin with that tag. So in my case, all my books, my fiction, self-help, non-fiction, business, etc. tags will match this formatting in the JSON descriptor. And I have also shown you this, that if a page alias is available, then the script will display that in the name tag of the node. So finally, I want to show you some practical things that you can do, how you can install the script, how you can use this with the hover editor, how you can save and customize views, and in fact I have one more idea, and that is how you can set up a hotkey for starting the script. So let's start with how you can install the script. I'm going to now close this view and just want to show you here, you have the Excalidraw script engine icon here. If you click on the script engine store, then in the script engine you will find the Brain-navigation script right here. And well, I have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, then you will see a button there to install the script. And with that, you've installed the script. The way to run the script is to open the Obsidian menu in Excalidraw and scroll down to the Brain-navigation script and click start. And with that, the script will start. So it's that simple. But if you want to set up a hotkey, the way to do that is to open Obsidian settings, come to hotkeys, and here if you type in the Brain-navigation, then you can set up a hotkey for this to start the script. And with that, if I select this window and I hit my hotkey, then you can see in this case the script stopped, and I can restart the script and then the script will start again. So if I stop the script, then I am able to customize the view I see. So at that point, I can start to drag the nodes around whichever way I like, and I can add additional items to this drawing. And with that, you can create special views of your vault. And finally, I'd like to show you how you can use the Brain script with the Obsidian Hover Editor plugin. So for that, let me close this window right here. I have pinned my Brain-navigation Excalidraw drawing to my favorites. And if I control hover this, then a hover window pops up. I can pin this hover view. And I also need to start the script in here. So I'm going to press my hotkey. And with that, the hover editor has started. And here I have 2 simple options to use this view. I can make it slightly larger and navigate to a different page like this. When I don't need this, I can collapse this to the bottom. Or I can also make this collapse the view much smaller and just tuck it away here in a corner. And when I need this, I can click the full screen mode and I can navigate to another page. For example, I can navigate here and I can navigate further to Simon Sinek's page. And when I'm at the location where I want to be, I can simply close this page and it is going to be collapsed to the corner. And in the meantime, if I continue to navigate my brain, so for example, I navigated over to the page for my book notes on Start with Why. If I open up the brain view, in the background, it will follow your navigation, so you will be at the location with your brain view where you left off on your page. So I think this is a very nice way of using this script to navigate your vault. And finally, maybe this is trivial, but I want to show you. So how did I create this brain navigation page? That is extremely simple. You open a new Excalidraw drawing and you can use whichever Excalidraw drawing you want. You click to start the script and immediately it turns into a brain navigation file. So I'm now going to rename this Brain-navigation 2 and I'm going to then pin this to my favorites. So I'm going to click here star, and from then on I have my brain navigation page right here that I can use as my starting point to navigate my vault using the brain script. And that is all I wanted to share with you today. As you could see in my demonstration, the script is not very fast at the moment. I think it is fit for purpose, and for the time being I'm very happy with how it works, and it has already given me lots of new insights into my vault. I may in the future convert this into a proper plugin, and I have lots of additional ideas how to make this into a very powerful navigation plugin for your Obsidian vault. For the time being, please enjoy the Excalidraw version and let me know in comments or on GitHub if you have any issues that I can help with, or if you have some ideas that you would like me to consider adding to this script. Thank you.